Hello everyone. In the last class we were studying about mean, median, mode, range, bar graph, and we studied about single bar graph and double bar graph. I gave the example of both. Now today I will remind you of double bar graph so that you can do the rest of the sums. It is very simple. Now how to do the double bar graph? Look at the question like this. A maths teacher wants to see whether a new technique of teaching is applied after quarterly test was effective or no. She had a quarterly test. Some had got the marks. So she does some more, experiment, and she looks at the marks in the half yearly test. So was effective or no? She takes the scores of 5 weakest children quarterly and half yearly test, and she comes to the conclusion these marks are out of 25. Who are those 5 persons? Ashish, Arun, Kavita, Maya and Rita. Kavishay. So now quarterly Ashish gets 10 marks, half yearly he gets 15 marks. Arun gets 15 marks, half yearly he gets 18 marks. Kavish gets 12 marks quarterly, 16 marks. 20 marks quarterly, 21 marks. 9 and 15. That means after her experiment, everyone has improved in the half yearly test, right? So what is my work? To draw the double bar graph and to compare. So what I have to do? Always the names of the children in the x-axis. So whenever they have given, you have to draw like this. Right? I told you how to draw. This is x-axis. So, and this is y-axis. X and this is y. Now, what I have to do? You have got the marks. So, it is out of 25. So, it is better to do 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Right? 20 and 25. Now, I say, in order to look very neat, leave one space, maybe half a centimeter or 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter gap. What is that? You have to draw within 1 centimeter, half centimeter for quarterly, half centimeter for the half yearly. So, Ashish 10. So, this is 10. Draw the straight lines. So 10 and 15. So after 10, 15, I said 1 centimeter width you take, half centimeter for quarterly, another half centimeter for half yearly. So what you have to do is, one you make it little shade it, right? This is what is that? Quarterly, this is half yearly. So otherwise you don't write down here, after that you will write down quarterly and half yearly. Who is this fellow? Ashish. This one is Ashish. Again look neat, half a centimeter you have to leave, half a centimeter. Then Arun got 15 marks, right? Arun got 15 marks. So, leave some gap and 15 marks. So, 15 marks and next time he got, again 1 centimeter you draw, half for the quarterly, half for the half yearly. So 15 and another one is 18, just below 20, 18. See, so this one I will show. leave some space. Who is this one? Arun. Again leave some half a centimeter. And Kavish. How much? Quarter is 12. Just about 10. 12. Use the scale. Don't draw like this only. 12. See, this is quarterly. Half yearly is 16. Above 15. 16. See, this is 15. Maybe this is 16. Who is this fellow? After Arun, Kavish. After Kavish, so this is half yearly. After Kavish, Maya. Maya, 20. So Maya is 20. 20. And I'm telling you, first one you make this one half centimeter for quarterly, another half for half yearly. So see 20 and 21. 20 and 21. So this is 20, this is 21. So improvement you see. Correct? Last person is Rita. First one is 9. Leave some space and 9. See 10 is here. 9 is still below 9. And next she got how much? 15. So next she got 15. So this is her improvement. So again marks. So after that what can you write down? Scale, y-axis, 1 centimeter, 5 marks. Right? X-axis, if there is nothing, then quarterly. If there is shading, half yearly. See how clear it is. Arun, Kavish, Maya, and who is this next fellow? Rita. So this is, see how neat it looks. See, Ashish, leave some gap. Arun, leave some gap. Kavish, leave some gap. Maya, right? Leave some gap. And Rita. So what you have to do is in your graph notes work, if you take like this, take half a centimeter, leave the gap of half a centimeter, then mark for 1 centimeter. In that also you divide into 2 parts, half and half. Again half a centimeter you leave, again you mark for 1, then half and half. So another half you have to shade it. So every time you see, this shaded part is more than the quarterly. Shaded part is more than this. 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 That means the teacher, maths teacher has really put her effort to improve the children to get more marks in half yearly when she saw the results of quarterly. Is it clear to you all? Yes. I hope you understood. The same type of questions are there in the exercise. Please work out all the problems. Now, let me go to the next aspect of this lesson. It is called, we are not certain, probability. Some chances we are taking. What is that? Let us see. Our next aspect of this lesson is chance and probability. What is the meaning of chance? You think that you and your friend, you have gone for some competition taking your own team. You are in one team, your friend is one team. Now, the referee will come, and first what will he do? He will take one coin. He will call you both as a captain of the group, and they will ask you, what do you want to do? If it is a volleyball match, they will ask you whether you want the court or you want to serve first. Right? So, if it is a volleyball, you have gone for a volleyball tournament and you say, we want a court, that means definitely other one will say, other one has to say, what is that? Serving. Right? So, he will start the service if you get the court. Now, he will toss the coin. How many faces are there in a coin? Only two faces. What are those? Head and tail. Suppose you say, first of all, he will show you the head. If you are, so, first he will toss the coin. You have to say head or tail. So, if it is a head, then you can choose your own whatever you want. Whether you want to have the court or you want to take the service. Right? So, what will the referee do? As he tosses the coin, you have to say head or tail. If it is tail, you have the chance to speak. Otherwise, you don't have the chance to speak. Other one will speak. Do you agree? Yes. So, I am not very sure that when I toss the coin, I am not sure that I will get head. So, I wait for whether head or tail. Do you agree? If it is head, I say, oh. If it is tail, I feel very bad. Do you agree? So, in a coin, there are two faces, head or tail. So, when you say the head and you have got the chance to select whether you want the court or you want the, what is our service? You choose according to your wish. Do you agree? Yes. Now, there are some situations where I am not very sure is going to happen. So, suppose today is Tuesday. Suppose today is Monday. What day is today? Tomorrow, Tuesday. What day was yesterday? Sunday. Is there any doubt? No. Then it is not probability. Today is Monday. Is there any guarantee that it will not rain today? It may rain today or it may not rain today. Then it is probability. You understand? Your younger brother is elder to you. Is there any chance? No. Your younger brother is definitely younger to you and he is born after you. You understand? Then it is not a chance or there is no probability. Today, sun may rise in the west. Is there any chance? No. Sun always rises in the east and sets in the west. So, if you say sun rises in the west, you are wrong. So, there is some chances. There are some statements where you take a chance. When you toss a coin, there are two chances. In a coin, there is head as well as tail. Have you seen the coin? If you have not seen the coin properly, take out. Head is what? There are three heads with a Ashoka Chakra. That part is head. And tail is whatever number it is written, 2 rupee, 1 rupee, 50 paisa, that is tail. Now, if I ask, when I throw a coin, will both the face appear once? No. There are how many faces? Head or tail? I write down. There are two chances, head or tail. Correct? So, I talk this as a sample space. What do I say? Sample space. Total chances when I throw a coin once, when I toss a coin once, either head or tail. That is called sample space. Sample space, I name the space as S. And what is the meaning of putting the bracket? This is called flower bracket. That means it is a set of two elements, head or tail. So I write out N of S. N of S means number of elements in S. 1, 2 is equal to 2. Understand? Now suppose when you toss or throw a dice. Throw a dice. Have you seen the dice? I'll show you the cue. I'll show you the cue. When you throw, what is that? When you play the Ludo, you throw a dice. What is written in that dice? From 1 till 6. In a cube also, there are 6 spaces, right? Here 1, 2, if at all I suppose I write down. Here there are 6 colors, different colors. Suppose I write down number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, 5, 6. So, when you throw a dice once, what is the probability or what is the sample space? I say sample space. What all chances are there? Number 1 may appear, number 2 may appear, number 3 may appear, number 4 may appear, number 5 may appear, number 6 may appear. Is there any chance of getting number 7? No. So, I write on N of S is equal to, what is the meaning of N of S? How many chances? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 6 chances. You understand? Now, I come back here. Sample space to understand. Sample space means what are the possible chances? Now, whenever I throw a coin or whenever I toss a coin, what is the probability of getting head? So, event favorable. So, favorable event is head. Favorable event is what? Head. What is the chance of, I call it as A is equal to head. So, A is equal to H or head. So, N of A is equal to how many? Only 1. N of A is equal to 1. What is the chance of getting a tail? 1. So, what is the probability? Therefore, probability is equal to, I give the formula, N of A by N of S. What is the meaning of this? Probability is equal to events favorable divided by total number of events. Divided by total number of events. They are not given in the textbook, but I am giving you the correct meaning of that. Events favorable. I said, what is the chance of getting head? That is favorable event. 1 out of 2. So, total number of events are 2. So, what is the chance of getting, what is the probability of getting tail? Tail is 1 out of 2. What is the chance of getting head? 1 out of 2. It is called probability. Probability lies from 0 to 1. It is always a fraction, 0 to 1. So, I say, is there any chance of getting both the faces at once? Impossible. So, there are two types of events, sure event and impossible events. See, sure event, either head or tail. I toss a coin and ask you, what do you want? Head or tail? And now when you look at, it is a head. So, if you have one head, then I'll ask, you wanted to take the service, or no, you say that, no, I didn't want to take the service, I want to choose the court. I was talking about volleyball. You want to take the court, so you take the court because you have one. Suppose you have said head, but when I toss, tail has come, the other one will get a chance to speak. Do you agree? So, probability is equal to n of A by n of S. That means events favorable to my condition divided by total number of chances. Now, what is the sample space when you throw a dice once? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means number appearing up, maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5 or maybe 6. So n of S is equal to 6. What is the probability of, or what is the chance of getting number 2? Only one chance. Because only one phase is number 2 is there. What is the chance of getting number 4? One chance. What is the chance of getting 5? One chance. In 2 phases, number 5 is not written. In only one. So what is the probability of getting number 1? Getting number 1. So 1 out of 6. How did you get? N of A by N of S. So number favorable to the event is only one chance. What is the chance of getting number 3? 1 out of 6. What is the probability of getting number 5? 1 out of 6. You understand? What is the probability of getting odd numbers? 1, 3, 5. Totally how many? 3 chances. So what is the probability? 3 out of 6. Getting odd numbers. Right? 3 out of 6. What is the probability of getting even numbers? 2, 4, 6. Again 3 out of 6. Even numbers. What is the probability of getting prime numbers? Prime number, you know what is prime number? 2, 3, 5. Again 3 out of 6. What is the probability of getting number more than 2 less than 6? 3, 4, 5. So 3 out of 6. So you have to listen to their question and you can write down what is the probability. So what is the formula to find out the probability? Probability is equal to number of events favorable divided by total number of chances. So when you toss a coin, what are the total number of chances? 2. When you throw a dice, 6. Total chances of 6. What is the probability of getting number 2? Don't write down 2 out of 6. Number 2 is written only on one phase. Number 4 is written only on one phase. So 1 out of 6. Number 6 is written on only one phase. So don't write down 6 out of 6. No, one phase out of 6. Number 4, 1 out of 6. Number 3, 1 out of 6. What is the chance of getting odd numbers? 1, 3, 5. So 3 out of 6. What is the chance of getting even numbers? 3 chances. 3 out of 6. What is the probability of getting prime numbers? Again 3 chances. 2, 3 and 5. So 3 out of 6. I hope you understood the whole lesson of chance and probability. Again let me say which is a sure event and what is impossible event. Suppose I say today is Monday. I say tomorrow is Wednesday. Is there any chance? No, it is impossible event. I say tomorrow sun rises in the west. Is it possible? No, it is impossible event. Sun always rises in the east and sets in the west. Right? Suppose I say sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Then it is a sure event. Today is Monday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. It is a sure event. Right? After number 99, 100. It is a sure event. Which is the impossible event? Just now I gave the example. Today is Monday. Tomorrow I say it is a Saturday. Is there any chance? No. It is impossible event. When I throw a dice once, what is the chance of getting number 8? Is there any number 8? It is impossible event. What is the chance of getting number 7? No, there is no number 7. It is an impossible event. What is the chance of getting number 3? It is possible event. It is a sure event. It will come. You understand? So 3 out of 6. It may come. It may, this one also come. So I say after Monday, Tuesday. Is it an impossible event or sure event? Sure event. After number 99, number is 100. What type of event? Sure event. Did you all understand? So you understood what is the meaning of chance, probability, impossible event, sure event, how to write down the probability, all those. If you like my video, please share it with others and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.